database into MySQL. This is very simple, but I think there are still many new members encountering the error. I hope this video will be helpful when you have problem importing big data into MySQL. Okay, now I will create a database and import my database into it. My database file is about 10 megabytes in size. I think it is enough for error if MySQL configuration is default. My import has exceeded the size error. Now I will reconfigure Apache to be able to solve this problem. At XAMPP control, I go to config and continue to choose php.in to open the configuration file and edit some information here. First, I will use Notepad search tool Control F to search for the keyword post max size and increase the parameter. Similarly, next I will search with the keywords upload max file size, max execution time, memory limit, and increase the parameter. You can do like in my video. Okay, the configuration is done. I will restart Apache and MySQL. Now I will import the database again. Depending on the size of the database, the import process is long or fast. With my database about 80 megabytes, I took 2 minutes off to finish. I will fast forward the video. Okay, my database has been imported successfully. It's a simple guide. I hope to be able to solve your problem.